friends, welcome to Kidz Vidz. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make homemade glue. So the ingredients you'll need are cornstarch, water, and shaving cream. So let's get started. Alert! This recipe can get very messy, so be sure to ask your parents if you can make it. So to start off this recipe, you'll be adding 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now, you want to start adding your water until you have and keep mixing until you have your desired texture. And now, after you've added your water, you're going to want to add in a little bit of shaving cream at a time. Wow, I'm actually getting the texture of glue. But if you do want to make the texture a little thicker, you can only add a little bit more cornstarch. I can definitely see this coming together. Alright. Now that I've got my texture of glue, what I'm going to do is take a piece of paper and test it out. So I'm spreading the glue on the paper. And now I'll fold this up to see if it actually sticks. It actually made glue! It sticks! But it does take a while to dry out. Bye, friends!